Sawubona, you beautiful visionary. I am Thembi Buthelezi, Chief Visionary Officer at Future Gen Leaders and the founder of the Future Gen Leaders Foundation. And welcome to Financially Empowered. Welcome, welcome to Financially Empowered. I believe that financial empowerment is one of the key areas that make life enjoyable and that make life worth living, because when you have money stuff, like I'm telling you, it don't matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter if you have $1,000 in your bank account, or you have 10 rands in your bank account, or you have 10 renminbi or a billion renminbi, or you have 100 million pounds. It don't matter. At every stage of life, everybody has money stuff. Everybody has money challenges. Every part of your life falls apart when you have a major money thing, or you have a major health thing, or you have a major relationship thing. Your life falls apart. Everybody goes through this. So I wanted to really teach on money. A lot of people ask me, so how do you know so much about money? Well, I'm a certified financial literacy consultant. I took a certification in that. But most of my money lessons I've learned by observing myself, observing others, and I came to an observation over the past 17 years that there are 9 stages to a guilt-free relationship with your money. There really are 9 stages. And everybody has to pass through these 9 stages to feel empowered. So everyone that you meet along your journey in life is going through one of these 9 stages. When I came up, I actually figured this out for myself by just observing my own life since I've been in America. Actually, no, not even since I've been in America. Since I've been alive, because I observed everything that used to go on at home, and I observed my life, and I looked at my life and looked at other people's lives and how other people grew up, and I made not a comparison, but I got perspective. And I found that every single person on this planet, the 7+ billion people on this planet, are all at some point in stage of their life going through these 9 phases of financial health. And if you understand this, you can start actually having compassion for people's crazy. Really, I swear to you, because when I got this, I was like, oh, that's why some people, it's okay for them to steal. I understand now. That's why some people, it's okay for them to kind of like try and rip you off. I get it. Everybody's going through one of these 9 phases or these 9 stages of financial health. And depending on how unhealthy you are financially, or how healthy you are, sometimes you can be healthy and unhealthy financially. Everybody's going through that stage. So it's imperative to have compassion for yourself, and for having compassion for others when they are going through their money stuff. Because I swear to you, everybody goes through money stuff, whether you're a billionaire or whether you have 10 rands. Everybody has money stuff. At every level there is a new devil.